Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Home Assistant dashboards for smart devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Home Assistant dashboards for your smart devices, begin by accessing your Home Assistant interface. Log into your Home Assistant account using your preferred web browser. Navigate to the sidebar and click on Configuration. In the Configuration menu, select Lovelace Dashboards. Now, click on Add Dashboard to create a new dashboard for your devices. Enter a suitable name for your new dashboard. You can also provide a description if desired. Next, select the visibility settings for your dashboard. Choose whether you want it to be visible to all users or specific ones. Once done, click on Save to create the dashboard. After saving, you'll be redirected to the new dashboard. To add cards to your dashboard, click on the Edit button. Hit the Add Card option to explore various card types. Scroll through the card options and select the one that fits your needs. Fill in the required fields for the selected card type. Connect your smart device to the card by selecting it from the entity list. Once configured, click Save to add the card to your dashboard. You can repeat this process to add more cards as needed. After adding all desired cards, click on Done to exit edit mode. To view your completed dashboard, simply select it from the dashboard menu. Make sure to test your smart device controls to ensure everything is working properly. If adjustments are needed, you can always return to edit mode. Your Home Assistant dashboard is now fully activated and tailored for your smart devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.